Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry that I can't be with you today and we are starting a new topic, so I'm leaving you this video to get you started on it. Here on the Citadel page you can see the address at the top of the screen and indeed around the room. We are going into the MySQL login. Now mine just logged straight in. You will need to put in your username and it will need to all be in capital letters, and you'll need to have your password for Citadel, which is the same one that you were using earlier in the term, and you can find that in your email. If you've got a lot of emails from me, search for the word keep, because I've put keep this email up in the subject line. Now, a MySQL database, which you have one of, so if I go into mine for instance, and there is my customers database. To you that might look a little bit like an Excel spreadsheet, but that's just one way of presenting this data. But this actually has 1,000 rows of it, and rather than looking through it and eyeballing it, which we can do, what we do is we write queries. Now a query can actually do all sorts of things. It can edit something, it can delete it. Today we're just using what are called select queries, where we're asking it a question and it's giving us back something that matches that criteria. So I've got a document here for you which has 15 tasks that I'd like you to get done today. So you've got plenty to do. What I'm doing is I'm showing you how to do something, and then I'm setting you a task where you have to go and do it yourself, and you'll be learning from the stuff that you've just done with me. So here, run this query in your database called customers. So select star from customers. I go over to my database, up here to MySQL queries, select star from customers. I'll take off the where one, and you'll see that it actually brings me back all 1,000 entries. So that's basically saying, show me all records from the database called customers. And then I would use my snipping tool, so I'll just snip. I take a photo of that. Now you'll notice that I'm getting this bit up here, including my query. Just the first screen will do fine. Then I go back into my work and I'm going to paste that in there. So there you go, that's the first job done. I'm going to go through the second one with you, just so that you get the sense of what we're doing, and then you're going to do the next 13 on your own. So in this, we're selecting star, that means all records, from the database customers where car equals Mazda. Okay, so I'll show my query box again, I'll just go to MySQL, where, now car's over here, I can type it in, but I'm going to use the page to do it, where car equals, now it's a single equals here, it's not like in programming, Mazda, and then I hit go. Now you'll see that I've got 24 of those, so I'm not going to be able to fit them all on the screenshot. Nevertheless, I'm going to screenshot as much as I can. So from there to there, and then I paste that into my work. So that should be enough to keep you going. Work with other people if you need to. I don't mean sit and watch them work, but if you get stuck, help each other, and I shall see you wonderful people on Wednesday.